Hello, I'm Anthony with KPRE Capital Group, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be describing yield spread as it pertains to private mortgages, as well as a specific example of how yield is earned in a loan. Private mortgage lenders earn yield spread on interest-only loans through the difference between the interest rate charged on the loan and the rate at which they borrow money from other sources. This spread, also known as the yield spread premium, is a form of compensation for the lender's services and risk-taking. To understand how lenders earn yield spread on interest-only loans, let's first define what an interest-only loan is. An interest-only loan is a type of mortgage where the borrower is only required to pay the interest on the loan for a certain period of time. In private mortgage lending, that is usually a duration of 12 to 36 months. Now let's look at an example of how a lender can earn 2% yield on a mortgage through an interest-only loan. Let's say a lender offers a $1 million interest-only loan to a borrower at an interest rate of 11.5%. The lender uses the funds needed to finance the loan from their warehouse line of credit and investor partners at a rate of 9.5%. This means the lender's yield spread on this loan is 2%, 11.5% minus 9.5%. In this scenario, the borrower pays $115,000 in interest each year, 11.5% times $1 million, while the lender pays $95,000 in interest to the warehouse line and investors, 9.5% times $1 million. This results in a $20,000 yield spread for the lender annually. This yield is spread out over the life of the loan, which is typically 12 to 36 months. As these loans are sold and capital is made available again to the lender, many more loans can be originated to add to an ongoing and never-ending portfolio. There are a few factors that can affect the yield spread on an interest-only loan. 1. Interest rate. The difference between the interest rate charged to the borrower and the rate at which the lender borrows funds will determine the yield spread. The higher the interest rate, the higher the yield spread for the lender. 2. Loan amount. The loan amount also plays a role in determining the yield spread. In our example, we used a loan amount of $1 million. If the loan amount is higher, the yield spread for the lender will also be higher. 3. Loan term. The length of the loan term can also affect the yield spread. In our example, we assumed a 12 to 36-month loan term. If the loan term is shorter, the yield spread will be spread over a shorter period of time, resulting in a lower yield spread for the lender. 4. Borrower's creditworthiness. The borrower's creditworthiness can also impact the yield spread. If the borrower has a lower credit score, the lender may charge a higher interest rate, resulting in a higher yield spread. It's important to note that yield spread is not the only way lenders earn money on interest-only loans. They also earn money through loan origination fees, servicing fees, and late fees. However, yield spread is a significant source of income for lenders, especially in the current interest rate environment. In conclusion, private mortgage lenders earn yield spread on interest-only loans through the difference between the interest rate charged to the borrower and the rate at which they borrow funds. This yield spread is spread out over the life of the loan and is affected by factors such as interest rate, loan amount, loan term, and borrower's creditworthiness. Yield spread is a significant source of income for lenders and is one of the ways they mitigate the risk of offering interest-only loans. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel below. And again, I'm Anthony from KPRE Capital Group. Till next time.